Yeah, awkward. What's up, people? My name is Sky and welcome to my YouTube channel. To those who are new to my channel, I am a student from the Philippines currently taking BS Nutrition. And to my subscribers, I really apologize for not being able to upload a video in the past 2 weeks or so. It's because grabe talaga yung pagka-busy ko in the past 2 weeks sa aking academics dahil inumpisahan na po natin ang ating thesis, So, ayun, for this week's video, kung inyong mapapansin na hindi muna tayo magluluto. I'm here in my bedroom right now. And kung inyong mapapansin sa aking background, this is my book collection. Teka, pakita ko lang sa inyo saglit. Tchaaan! Ayan. Marami pa yan, pero next time ko na lang sila ipapakita sa inyo in another video. And also, my screen door papunta sa aking balcony. And as you can see, I am wearing a Levi shirt. Super fan po talaga ako ng Attack on Titan. I've been reading the manga for 8 years now and nag-end na siya nung April 9. I'm so sad. So I'm wearing this to express my gratitude to Hajime Isayama for creating my most favorite manga/anime. And especially dahil bebe ko to. Ang weird ko, no? Shinzo Sasageyo, respect. Also, ito palang background na to, yung palaging nakikita ng aking mga professors and classmates whenever we have a synchronous session. Anyway, so naisipan ko na siguro pag-usapan muna natin kung ano ba dapat ang kainin ng isang individual for a day. Kung naalala nyo, I also promised that I will also upload informative content for my dear viewers. Take note that this video is for general information purposes only. It is not a prescription, okay? I will just be sharing with you some of the information that I've learned as a nutrition student so far. But if you're really planning on starting your own diet regimen, I advise you to first consult your doctor or your nutritionist or your dietitian. Kasi mas better yun, okay? Okay. Kinilig ako doon para tayo fault in our stars. Pero ako lang din naman yung sumagot doon. Kaya yakan. Back to the topic. Food is any substance that provides nutrients to the body when consumed. Some nutrients provide energy. Some nutrients are responsible in building our body tissues. And some nutrients help our body function well. But the thing is, no food by itself contains all of the nutrients na mayroon noong 3 important functions na yun. Because every nutrient has their very own specific function in the body. And our body needs a certain amount of minerals and nutrients for it to be able to function properly. And for us to be able to stay healthy and live a long life. Claim na natin yan, mahaba ang buhay natin. That's why it is very important for us to have a balanced meal for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. We must consume foods from different food groups in adequate and recommended amounts. Here in the Philippines, meron tayong 2 food guides that were developed by the DOST-FNRI. Ito ay ang Pinggang Pinoy and the Daily Nutritional Guide Pyramid. Unahin muna natin ang Pinggang Pinoy. Siguro ipapakita ko siya dito. Ayan. So the Pinggang Pinoy is a simple graphical illustration ng isang pinggan that is divided into 4 sections for our 3 basic food groups. Go, grow, and glow. Tinuro naman na sa atin nung elementary years natin kung ano ang meron sa 3 basic food groups na yan. So, ang go foods ay foods that are rich in carbohydrates. Energy-giving foods katulad ng rice, corn, pasta, root crops like potato, kamote, etc., etc. Grow foods naman are foods that contain nutrients that help build our body tissues. Basically, structural components sila ng ating body. Ayan yung meat, yung fish, yung poultry, nuts, and milk is also included, and yeah. Then if you would notice, pinakamalaki ang fraction ng plate that is designated for glow foods. It takes up half of the plate. The section at the top is designated for the fruits, and the section at the bottom is designated for the vegetables. Glow foods are body-regulating foods. In other words, they help the body function well because they contain so many vitamins and minerals. And of course, hindi dapat mawawala ang tubig. At least 8 glasses a day. Basically, yung alarm namin tumutunog. Basically, the Pinggang Pinoy illustrates kung paano dapat ang distribution ng go, grow, and glow food sa ating meal. Go, grow, and glow. Pero take note nga pala, our calorie and nutrient needs may differ from one another because of many different factors like age, for instance, or sex, male or female. Kaya when you visit the FNRI website, kung mapapansin niyo na color-coded ang Pinggang Pinoy. Meron kayong makikita dyan na for kids, teens, adults. Then for each Pinggang Pinoy, there's an included sample one-day meal plan for male and female. And that is the Pinggang Pinoy. So the next food guide that I'll be sharing with you is the Daily Nutritional Guide Pyramid. As you can see, compared to the Pinggang Pinoy, mas specific siya. Nalagay dyan ang recommended intake for fats, oil, meat, eggs, and the like. Also included din dyan yung mga equivalents of common food per serving portion. Halimbawa, ang nakalagay dun sa pyramid ay 3 servings ng vegetables ang recommended. So the equivalent amount ng bawat isang vegetable serving ay 1 cup kung hilaw and 1/2 cup naman kung luto. Then, just like Pinggang Pinoy, color-coded din ang ating daily nutritional guide pyramids. Based yan sa different age groups. Pero may makikita rin kayo dun na for lactating and pregnant women. Alam niyo, sobrang ganda nung dalawang diniscuss ko na food guides na yan, yung Pinggang Pinoy saka yung Daily Nutritional Guide Pyramid. Dahil based siya sa Nutritional Guidelines for Filipinos, also known as the 10 Commandments. Ang witty ano? Kumbaga, ito yung 10 Commandments ng nutrition. These are the 10 Commandments. So, I'll be posting the links ng food guides na diniscuss ko kanina as well as the 10 Commandments sa description box down below. So, i-check out nyo lang. Just always remember these 3 things. Eat a balanced meal that contains foods from the different food groups. Eat a variety of foods. Halimbawa, kung kakain kayo ng fruits, wag puro banana lang. Kumain din kayo ng mango, apple, orange. Then, wag puro meat lang ng pork. Kumain din kayo ng beef, ng poultry, ganon, ng fish, di ba? Kasi nga, as I have said earlier, no food by itself contains all of the nutrients that are needed by the body. Kaya importante na kumain tayo ng iba't ibang uri ng pagkain. Drink plenty of water. Dahil maniwala man kayo sa hindi, ang water ay isa ding essential nutrient na kailangan ng ating body. I know that to eat a balanced meal is very expensive, because you're going to have to spend a lot on different kinds of foods in order to satisfy the different daily nutritional needs of our body. Pero hindi ba, mas better naman na gumastos na tayo para makaiwas tayo sa sakit kaysa naman gagastos tayo ng mas malaki dahil mayroon na tayong sakit. Once again, this is not a prescription. This is just for general information purposes only, para lang meron kayong idea kung ano ba dapat ang kainin natin sa isang araw in order to satisfy the nutritional needs of our body for it to function well. I really hope that you've learned something from me in this video. Please don't forget to hit subscribe, like, and the bell buttons here on my channel. And if you have any questions for me or video suggestions, please feel free to comment down below. Before I end this video, gusto ko po munang magpasalamat dahil 500 subscribers na po tayo. Ay, no, actually, it's 600 subscribers as of now na kahit hindi ako nag-post ng 2 weeks, naka-reach pa rin ako ng 600 subscribers. Thank you all so much. Damang-dama ko po talaga yung support and I'm very grateful for all of you. So that's it for today. Thank you all so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Just a reminder, smile to make your day brighter. This is Kai signing off and I hope you all have an awesome day.